Let me show you the way to change day into night in Photoshop. Here, there are two layers. First one is background layer and the layer 2, which is the night sky that we want to replace. If you want to use this photo for practicing, I leave the link to download in the description. Now, click the adjustment icon and select Hue Saturation. There will be less color in the dark, right? So we will decrease the saturation to around -50. Create a color lockup adjustment layer. Drop down the menu in 3D LUT file and select Night from Day.cube. There you go. It's cool, right? Next, we'll darken the photo even more. Use level by create it in adjustment icon. Click and drag the white triangle to the left to decrease the white area. It's time to do sky replacement. First thing is select the sky in background. Click to background layer. Head to select sky. Photoshop AI will automatically select the sky for you, and it did a great job. Let's turn on layer 2. Click to layer mask icon and add layer mask to it. Done! Enjoy your work! If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, technique, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button, and you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis.